Arngut kinong hikay giblarim hasin Dominic High Secondary School, Mau Kendeng, kakong Alma satin, bat Babu Rophinus jad, kila penjau umat ikinong penyat kinong hikay bat kikena school. Haba kila kren kuble katdu, ha ke kat saw terik ujeliu, kasngi bikila syong tat negi kam hikay ha kini ke school. Kini arngut kinong hikay kila rung ha kini ke school, naduk kipor jong Reverend Padar Turgo, ubala klat no na kini ke perthai. Kaskul barok kawai hakini kesngi kala pelong ia kejingelang kublai Sngewnguh ia kimati bekensai bekini kinong hikai kila penjau sep hakini kaskul hakirta terikam jengki. Buan rugi kena skul ki bayat lingba na kani kaskul kila kiau haki kerdan long beriu beper. Ubabu Jonatus Suciang ula kren na kaliang kinong hikai hakabau la nyautang ia kejinglong bekensai bat kemensim ai tilut jengkini kinong hikai na kebenta ki kena bat ban kentiu ia kanam jeng skul syadu kisahit beneng. Kaskul bat ki kena kila yok shibun kejing mentoy na ki mati jengkini kinong hikai ulaong. U principal ula penpau kejing Sngewnguh ke bala Shillong naduk mensim ia kejing tre jengkini kinong hikai. Babu Rophinus bat kakong Alma kila kren melung mensim hadu bagi para nong hikai kinong penyat skul bat ki kena kila jau mat kendek mensim da kajing Sngewnguh bat Sngewnguh benut banum yok Sngewnguh syu iki kentin jengki haki kamra skul. Kakong Alma kala penkut ia kajing kren da kaboong. Haba ais bun ni yok keliang bun sya. La penkut ia kini kesengi kublai Sngewnguh iki ni kinong hikai da kabam khana kum shiying chisam.
I started from home. I was doubting whether the weather will permit or not. No, we will sit till the end of the program. But right now, I think with all the prayers, I also pray that we will have a fine weather so that we can complete the program happily. So I thank God for this beautiful weather given to us. And secondly, I thank God for permitting me to serve this institution for 42 years and 8 months. Of today's gratitude get together. Thank you very much for permitting me to come here on the stage. Why? Because we don't have to say farewell to each other. We will be always together, cherishing whatever we have achieved as teachers and also as students. So when a time comes like this, that we cannot walk together anymore, maybe because of the government, which actually I don't abide by the rules of the government. Even after the government reminded me that you have to rest, you are getting old, I still have the chance of continuing for another 5 years and 8 months, or 8 months. And to tell you, my dear colleagues and my dear students, I feel as many of you told me, the colleagues and the students,